Hello kids. Today we will learn some colors name. Violet color, red color, pink color, light green color, orange color, dark blue color, black color, brown color, dark green color, yellow color, sky blue color. Now we are learning some small letters. A, B, C. Let's color it. A for ear. V for vase. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fly. G for Grady. H for hen. I for iron. J for jelly. K for king. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nut. O for olive. P for plum. Q for question. R for rabbit. S for sugar. T for tiffin. U for ugly. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for young. Z for zoo. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. আই ভারত বা কাল হব বসস না তুই দেমো ভিডা করে আইলাম আ ভরগা